Hey guys, happy Halloween. Becky Thames'has here live for the drive at 5, and today I'm a pointer sister. Woohoo! So hope you all are having an amazing day celebrating your Halloween. It's like 9:16 in the morning and I'm on my way to work. I'm literally in the Starbucks drive-through line, like literally. So excited to be here with you today. I can't wait. Look guys, oh, I just covered the camera. I just got my get up here, got all my little bangles and my bracelets. Look at my necklaces. I'm a pointer sister, guys. So excited. Like, I'm so excited. You hear me say that all the time, but I'm seriously like a pointer sister today. So I wanted to share with you. Hey Shani, great to see you. Happy Halloween. So do you celebrate Halloween? Let me know. Hey Amy, great to see you. I'm so excited. I'm a pointer sister, and what I mean by that, guys, if you are interested in any type of e-commerce, I mean any type, eBay, Amazon, Shopify, Walmart, selling in Facebook groups, I can point you to the right place, right? I'm a pointer sister, and the reason I can is because I've been there and I've done it. Woohoo! Thanks, Shani. Girl, let me tell you, this wig, woo, Lord. Whew, I made lots of money on wigs, but man, it's something else to be putting on. There's like this net in there and all kind of crazy stuff. I got to learn how to wear it the right way. But hey, Angie, great to see you. Hope you dressed up as a nurse today. And I'm literally in the Starbucks line this morning. I bought the witch's brew yesterday. Haven't been at Starbucks except yesterday, but today I need it because I stayed up way too late. As you know, I did a drive at 5 last night. Hey, Greg, it's great to see you. I was about to call you John. Hey, Greg, it's great to see you. Cheryl, Sherry, good to see you guys. I'm a pointer sister today, so for those of you that are coming on late, it's also Wealth Wednesday. So what I'm going to do is I have $20 here. So when I pay for my coffee, I'm just going to give the drive-through person a whole $20 and say Happy Wealth Wednesday. And Wealth Wednesday is when you share something from a financial gain. Thank you, Candace. To a complete stranger expecting nothing in return. So I'm going to be the next in line to order. I don't want to be rude, but I do want to talk to you. So I'll probably come back tonight and do the real drive at 5, but I just wanted to share with you my get up this morning and tell you guys happy Halloween. I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye.